So, this story about why the reflecting pool is peeling just doesn't add up for me. We were told that this new multi-million-dollar industrial coating was indestructible, an uncuttable shield. But now the claim is that vandals came in and sliced a 350-foot gash right through it. Huh. I've been reading comments, and commercial coating installers are pointing out that the National Mall is built on a literal historic swamp. With all that moisture trapped underneath, vapor pressure naturally expands under the coating, causing it to bubble and peel, especially if it doesn't cure properly. And it probably didn't help that during a surprise inspection in May, the entire presidential motorcade, including a 20,000-pound armored beast, drove straight across it before it was properly cured. Then throw in a little hydrogen peroxide. So which is it, a box cutter or basic moisture science sped up by 60 tons of heavy vehicles, hydrogen peroxide, and uncured sealant? Let me know your thoughts below.